There's a burning desire in you that longs for living a dream life, to drive that fancy car, to have all the money in the world, and to have a happy, loving relationship. You aspire to join the top 1%, yet this very desire might be preventing you, as well as myself, from reaching the pinnacle of success. I want to uncover the lies that are circulating on YouTube and are feeding on this very desire for their gain. Stick around for a sec because things are about to get deep. I need to give credit to Manson, the author of several well-known books, and his video for giving me this idea. In Marx's video, he says there are 3 main objectives to get ahead of 99% of people. Be a contrarian, someone who swims against the waterfall, then be right about it. Saying something like the earth is flat is a contrarian belief, but a false one that makes you a big dum-dum. Lastly, commit to executing your ideas on a large scale and stay dedicated to them. Why am I telling you this? Because you are a contrarian if you clicked on this video. You want to live a luxurious life and not have to work a shitty 9 to 5 for the rest of your time. But are you living this truly to the full extent? I want you to think for a second and look into yourself. What is holding you back? Or should I say, what is missing? Money. Every one of your dreams would be possible or amplified with wealth. And sure, material things like a fancy car or big house have their benefits, but I'm talking about something way deeper and fulfilling. Freedom. The freedom to live, to improve your health and relationships to the fullest extent of your desires and aspirations. This will be the main point of this video, and now I want to uncover the BS on YouTube. You have most definitely watched at least one video on YouTube about making money. YouTube automation, AI businesses, dropshipping, selling digital products, and many more. For a decent amount of time, I started to dismiss these videos as nothing but selling a false dream. I knew they didn't do as they preached. I knew they were preying on the emotions of young entrepreneurs to make a profit. Thanks to Mark's video, however, I gained 2 new insights. This entire channel is contrary to many financial and business advice and goes against so much in the finance niche in general. But seriously, these conventional videos disgust me. I wanted to do something against this. This is why I tell the things you need but do not want to hear in my videos. This is why I want to be as transparent as possible and convey the sentiment that this isn't a walk in the park. In addition to this, I gained a much more valuable perspective. Conventional videos help only very few people. I won't deny the fact that some people made a ton of money through YouTube automation or AI businesses, for example. But to everyone else, what do you feel when seeing these videos with big numbers and easy ways to replicate them? You feel motivated. You want to know more, and so you dig deeper. You try your best, but eventually fail because the game was rigged from the beginning. What gurus obviously don't tell you is that their BS doesn't work most of the time. Think back to your latest business failure. How did you feel afterward? Probably shame, probably like a failure. You watched every video on this topic and they told you how easy it was for them or others, but you failed. I have been there once and I felt like a fool wasting my time. With this in mind, I want to go over why you are stuck and can't join the top 1%. Why did I make the thumbnail like this and not like everyone else? You are on self-improvement, which means you are beyond average and on the right path. However, you and I still do the same average stuff that everyone else on self-improvement does. Don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with bettering yourself or looking for guidance from other brethren. The problem with this has more to do with being too reliant and becoming average in a sea full of non-average people. Let's go back to money for a moment. The premise of every basic video from these gurus is the same. Stupid number on the thumbnail, telling you how easy it is to do the same, and especially giving the viewer examples from successful applications of the things they preach. This is the key, telling you about a successful example and convincing you can do the same. Here's the problem though, everyone else tries to emulate the exact same thing. This behavior validates a sickness in the modern world. Events thinking. Everything is an event nowadays. The guy with the perfect body must have been luck. The guy making millions, definitely rich parents or winning the lottery. But what about the long and tedious process behind these events? It's no wonder if you feel shame when things don't go your way, when those around you neglect the long process behind life-changing events. Honestly, the best thing you can do is to shut down. Select your favorite self-improvement channels that offer the most insights, but do things your way. Find your own way. Don't want to be like someone else. Be someone others want to be. I don't care if this means my videos get fewer views. Hell, I could do the same as gurus and tell you how I made 20K in one day from my totally existing AI business. And it would make me undoubtedly rich, but do I want to sell my dignity, honor, and my values? Hell no. I want to provide genuine advice and tell the raw truth. Becoming wealthy early in life is hard. Here is the thing though, the paradoxical way of achieving wealth is letting go. Why do you want to reach the top 1%? This is the question you should be asking yourself before you do anything. Like I said before, wealth is often the gateway to your dreams, but it can also be dangerous. No amount of money will make you happy if you focus on the wrong things or have shitty values, like Mark said at the end of his video.
Extreme success is not going to make you happy. In fact, success amplifies who you already are and how you already feel.
Take a step back and really think about this. Stop giving a fuck about chasing success and just focus on how you currently are. This doesn't mean you shouldn't start a business or pursue your goals, but to do it the right way. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Your goal is your desired outcome. Your system is the collection of daily habits that will get you there. This year, spend less time focusing on outcomes and more time focusing on the habits that precede the results. At the end of the day, you only need a couple of really good contrarian decisions. This alone will catapult you into the top 1%. Not because you watched videos and then did the exact same thing, but because you did it your own way, which no one else can copy. The secret to joining the top 1% is creating your own way to get ahead of 99% of people. Thanks a bunch for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate your time and I hope my points resonated with you. Now let's circle back to AI businesses. Lately, there have been some fascinating things happening and I'm diving deep into the topic. In about 2 weeks, I'll be dropping my most ambitious video yet, so stay tuned for that. If it's already uploaded, click on the funny card right in front of my face. Otherwise, you can check out my previous video where I talk about why most AI businesses are doomed to fail. Until then, I'm out of here.